Hello my darlings, welcome back to the Ghini Effect. Today is my first ever Ikea haul. I'll be walking you through my all-time favorite products and some of the hot and new items from Ikea. Grab a drink and come join me. I am Ghini. This is the Ghini Effect. I really love Ikea as a brand, and I think a lot of us do. They are very ergonomic, minimalistic, chic, affordable, and very sustainable too. Ikea is just that brand. No matter how much of a budget you have, you can find something nice and chic to incorporate into your own home. That's what I love about Ikea. And this time when I went to Ikea, I actually just had the intention to get some new candles and maybe a candle holder. And guess what? I spent... Anyway, let's get on with the video. The first item that I got is actually a cocktail shaker. I can't believe that they started doing cocktail shakers. This is very affordable. I think I paid £5 for it. And it has all the measurements if you were to make a mojito, cosmopolitan margarita, pina colada, tequila sunrise. It is very nicely weighted, it's glass and it has instructions on the shake bottle. You really can't fault it. Why don't we make a cocktail while we are here? Because I have also got a box of these beautiful Martini Glasses. Half a dozen of them. I think £2 on Martini Glasses, superb value. Of course, you need to top it up with some ice. Oh my god. Okay, let's hope that it doesn't leak. If it leaks everywhere, then I'm going to tell you, do not buy it. Slightly nervous. So the top comes off like so. I have enough for another one. So if you want to come round, please pop round and top it up with. This is my favorite cocktail, porn style martini. Very British and fabulous. If you haven't already followed my The Ghini Fit page, go and check it out and give me a follow because I will be posting many fabulous recipes and simple workout routines. I will also be posting this. Moving on. Oh darling, it turns into a drinking session and it's not great. And if you're underage, make sure you don't drink. Oh, so good. So good, darling. So cute. Okay. Like I said at the beginning of the video, my purpose of this trip is to actually buy candles. So I bought some candles. I've got some of these cinnamon scented candles. I think they're left over from Christmas, but cinnamon is one of my absolute favorite scents of candles. Oh my god, it smells so good. So I've got 4 of these, 2 of the bigger ones. They just burn so much brighter. The peach and orange scent is also my absolute favorite. So I got 2 packs. Actually, I've got more. Because this is what I love to burn in my own bedroom. The cinnamon ones, I love to burn in the living room. They just make everything taste so much better. If you have guests around and you want to keep them guessing, what is it that makes me want to eat so badly? Burn the cinnamon candle and thank me later. Full version of the same scent, which is peach and orange. Love them. Love to put them on a dining table. So nice and atmospheric. Guess what I got? I've bought so many things from Amazon too. If you want me to do an Amazon haul, give me a thumbs up. Oh. Ta-da! Go away now. Oh. How beautiful and simple is this candle holder? Why don't we just actually light some candles now? Okay, we'll go into the cinnamon. Place it on here like so. I actually bought this candle holder to replace the one in the background. Let's just do it on camera. I am in love with the new candle holder. I know it's not part of the Ikea haul, but the candles are from Ikea, I suppose. These are my absolute favorite. If you haven't checked out the Ikea elderflower concentrate, it tastes so good, and I think it's better than other brands as well. I am very big on sustainable living and saving the planet, so I got some new Tupperware. These are made of glass. You can stick it in the oven, straight into the fridge or out of the oven. Obviously, you need to let it cool down and then take it with you. So good. Speaking of sustainability, can you believe that Ikea came out with wooden lids? I'm so impressed. And I got 4 of these. 2 of them are already in the fridge. I couldn't wait. I also got some new frames to decorate my bedroom. These are like a new style. They're kind of cut wide at the front and narrower at the back. And if you want to see how I'm going to decorate my bedroom with these new flames I got from Flames. If you want to see how I'm going to decorate my bedroom with these new frames I got, stay tuned on my Instagram story. New, oh my god. Baking tray. They're glass, obviously, and I think they're just perfect for roast chicken or whatever roast dinner you're making. They're just so perfect. And 2 for £10, they're giant. A moment ago I mentioned that I started a new Instagram fitness and food page. I really want to learn how to bake because in my entire life I baked about 7 times. They were all just catastrophic failures. It was either burnt on the outside or raw on the inside. So I have decided baking is my next thing to master. I'm so passionate about making food, so why can I not learn how to bake? So I got these measuring spoons and measuring cups. Very nice and neat. And I also got a new scale. I still haven't played with it. I just love a good minimalistic design. This is a scale, but where is the screen? Oh, the screen is tucked underneath. Stay tuned. Remember the Ghini Fit account. Lots of amazing baking, cake recipe, muffin, cookies recipe. I may actually need to ask for help because a few of my friends are actually very, very talented. So Maya, Celine, Beatrice, I need your help. But yes, this is such a chic scale and I think I paid about £12 for it. We all love spray bottles and I'm all about feng shui at the moment. Fresh flowers and decorating my house with lots of lovely things to up my feng shui game. And I've got some spray bottles to spray my fresh flowers. And the last thing that I got is actually some really, really nice giant sized bowls. They are so big, literally like the size of my face or my head or bigger. Which is bigger? Click up in the pop-up banner to let me know if the bowl is bigger or my head is bigger. I think my head is still slightly bigger. What do you think? I always wanted one of these giant bowls because when I eat noodles, I love a lot of soup in my noodles. So with a smaller bowl, I would always be spilling everywhere because I love the soup, I love the noodles. So this is perfect. But wouldn't it be so perfect if I also have noodles in the bowl? Dinner's ready! Oh my gosh, dinner is ready indeed. I love pho. I love pho so damn much. If you have stayed till the end of the video, then congratulations. you have entered yourself into my first ever secret giveaway. Because if you have watched my Instagram story, you would know that I bought 2 of the same thing by mistake. But the good thing is that I can give back to my wonderful, wonderful audience. It takes so much time to film, edit and promote, so I really appreciate you for supporting me through and through. You deserve this, and I'm going to make it very simple for you to enter. Spreading love and kindness means so much to me, and you always get what you put out there. So I would love to hear what is the one thing that you have done recently to spread love and kindness that made you very happy by doing so. So leave your little kindness story down in the comment section, and I'm going to be picking a winner in the next couple of weeks. I just want to say thank you again for being you, and I think this is a nice little gift that I can give to you. You deserve it. Leave it in the comment section down below. I can't wait to read your kindness story. And in the meantime, stay gorgeous, stay golden, stay fabulous. I have so much love for you, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Stay fabulous. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat that pho now. This is an Ikea haul that I did very recently. I went to Hello my darlings. Hello my darlings. Here it is. Hello my darlings. Hello my darlings. Hello my darling. Hello my darlings. Welcome back to the Ghini effect, and today is an Ikea haul. Hello my darlings. So grab a drink and come back. Grab a drink and come back. Grab a drink and come join me. Oh, thank the Lord.